Hey, do you ever look at your bank account and think, wait, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Most of us work hard, get paid, and somehow, by the end of the week, it feels like our cash just evaporated into thin air. So whether you're drowning in debt or just starting your financial journey, stick with me. Because I'm going to show you some easy wins, plus a few that take a little more effort, but trust me, the payoff is absolutely worth it. Now let's get started. Tip number 1. Build a small emergency fund. You don't need much, just $500 to cover those unexpected car repairs or medical bills. It's your safety net, and having something is better than nothing. Number 2, track your spending. This can be as simple as saving receipts or using an app like Mint or Personal Capital. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to controlling it. Number 3, use the cash envelope system. This is old school but super effective. Withdraw cash for categories like groceries or entertainment and stick it into envelopes. Once the cash is gone, that budget's exhausted for the month. Number 4, save with a purpose. Having a clear goal like buying a house or retiring early makes saving easier. It gives your money a name and a mission. Number 5, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. Out of sight, out of mind. This way, you'll save without even noticing. Number 6, set short-term realistic savings goals. Aim to save $25 or $50 a week. Small wins build momentum and keep you motivated. Number 7, start retirement savings early. Even if it's just $50 a month, thanks to compound interest, you'll have way more when you retire. Plus, it's like paying yourself first. Number 8, take full advantage of employer 401k matches. Free money, there's no other way to put it. If your employer offers to match your 401k contributions up to a certain percentage of your salary, make sure you contribute enough to get the full match. It's literally free money. Number 9, save bonuses, tax refunds, and windfalls. Got a bonus at work, a tax refund, or any extra cash coming your way? Don't blow it on unnecessary expenses. Instead, consider saving or investing it. These windfalls can quickly add up and make a significant impact on your financial goals. Number 10, make a written savings plan. Write down your goals and how much you'll save each month. Seeing it in black and white keeps you accountable and focused. Number 11, save coins. Yeah, those spare coins in your pocket or purse. Use a coin jar or an app like Coin Push or Piggy to save those little bucks. They add up faster than you think. Number 12, follow the 24-hour rule before buying something. If you want to buy something that costs more than $250, wait 24 hours before purchasing. This cooling off period helps you avoid impulse buys and unnecessary expenses. Number 13, match your indulgent spending with equal savings. Bought something nice for yourself? Great. But to balance it out, commit to saving an equal amount. It's all about balance and being mindful of your spending. Number 14, compare every purchase to your hourly wage. Is that $300 gadget really worth 10 hours of your hard work? Reminding yourself of your time and effort invested can help you make smarter choices. Number 15, unsubscribe from marketing emails and texts. Out of sight, out of mind. Reducing temptations helps you avoid impulse buying and focus on what truly matters. Number 16, put a savings reminder note on your debit or credit card. Every time you swipe, you'll be reminded to save. Little nudges like this can make a big difference. And now, let's tackle those pesky debts. Number 17, pay off credit cards in full each month. Interest rates on credit cards are killer. Paying in full avoids that silent money sucker and keeps more money in your pocket. Remember, start with what you can, even if it's just a few tips. Over time, these small steps lead to big results. I'm Tarek. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, slap me with a like, and share your own saving hacks in the comments. We all learn from each other. Catch you in the next one. Stay awesome and keep stacking that cash.